Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, every living entity is a child of God. God is the Supreme Father. And Krishna says, Ahanga bija padapita. I am the seed-giving Father of all living entities. Sarvajonishu kaunte. In whichever form they may live. They are all living entities. They are my sons. Actually, that is the fact. We are all living entities. We are sons of God. But we have forgot. Therefore we are fighting. Just like in a nice family, if anyone knows, father is supplying us food, so we brothers, why should we fight? Similarly, if we become God conscious, if we become Krishna conscious, this fighting will be over. I am American, I am Indian, I am Russian, I am Chinese. These are nonsense things will be over. Krishna consciousness movement is so nice. As soon as people become Krishna conscious, these fighting, these political fighting, national fighting, will be over immediately. Because they will come to real consciousness that everything belongs to God. And as the children, a child of the family has got right to take advantages from the father, similarly, if everyone is part and parcel of God, if everyone is child of God, then everyone has got the right to use the property of the Father. So, that right is not that the right belongs to the human being. According to Bhagavad Gita, this right belongs to all living entities. Never mind whether he is living being or animal or trees or birds or beasts or insects. That is Krishna consciousness. We do not think in terms of that simply my brother is good, I am good, and all bad. This kind of narrow crippled consciousness we hate, we kick out. We think Pandita Samadharshina. In the Bhagavad Gita you'll find Vidya Vinay Sampanne Brahmani Gavi Hastini Sunichita Sapatesa. Pandita Samadharshina. One is Pandit, one is learned. He sees every living entity on the equal footing. Therefore, a Vaishnava is so compassionate. Lokanang hitakarino. They can actually do the beneficial work to the human being. They are saying, actually feeling that all these living entities, they are part and parcel of God. Somewhere or other, they have fallen in the contact of this material world, and according to different karma, they have assumed different types of body. So Pandita, those who are learned, they have no discrimination. That is, this is animal, that will be sent to the slaughterhouse, and this is man, he will eat it. No. Actually, Krishna conscious person, he is kind to everyone. Why the animal should be slaughtered? Therefore our philosophy is no meat eating. No meat eating. You cannot. So they will not hear us. What is nonsense? This is our food. Why should I not eat? Because Redomana Mada is intoxicated rascal. He will not hear the real fact. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Krishna